Bacon lovers shepherd's pie. That's what I'm making today. It's a new twist on an old favorite. It's delicious. Let's make it now. The ingredients you're going to need are Worcestershire sauce, panko breadcrumbs, bacon bits, egg, and salt. You're going to need ground meat, ground pork, milk, garlic powder, black pepper, onion, and cheddar. You're going to need mashed potatoes. I've got frozen mixed vegetables and a green onion. We're going to start over here at the stove. I've decided to make a slight change in the recipe. It calls for mixing your meat and all your other ingredients together and going in the bottom of your dish. But instead, I'm going to cook it on the stove, not all the way. I want to try and reduce the amount of fat going into the recipe. So I'm adding my ground meat and the sausage. So cook it here. It will finish cooking with all the other ingredients in the oven. Okay, now I'm moving it over to a pan to let it drain. So I didn't want all that extra fat. Now we're going to combine the majority of our ingredients. I've let our meat drain for just a few minutes. And then we're going to start combining everything else. So we have our frozen vegetables. You can do any combination of vegetables you want. Okay, 1 egg. Milk. Got breadcrumbs. I've got an onion I've chopped. Salt. Worcestershire sauce. Black pepper. And garlic powder. And now we're just going to combine. So we might be able to eat our own 9x13.
It smells good, Brigitta.
It does. Okay. Here's our dish. I'm going to spray it. Nonstick cooking spray. And then we're going to add these ingredients. Okay. Hopefully I can do this since I have the big bowl. Okay. The next step is adding mashed potatoes. Now you can make your own mashed potatoes, or you can do like I did, and I just bought a package. You don't have to cook them ahead of time. They're going to cook in the oven with everything else. I'm not even going to measure. I'm just going to put it in. I might need more mashed potatoes.
Definitely.
I've got sharp cheddar cheese. I've already shredded it. Again, I'm not really measuring. Okay, again, I bought package, but you could cook your own bacon and crumble it up. Uh-oh, one got away. Last thing is our green onions. Just spread them around. Okay. In the original recipe, it didn't say whether to cover it or not. So I put it in uncovered when I thought the top was getting too dark. I put foil on there just lightly for the last few minutes. So it's going in. I can't remember how long it has to cook. I will check that. take it out of the oven. And I did end up putting foil on it because I didn't want the bacon to burn. Ready? Ta-da!
Whoa.
Bacon lovers shepherd's pie. So before we try it, I did put the foil on for the last 10 minutes because I didn't want the bacon and the cheese to burn. And we've let it sit and cool for at least 10 minutes before trying it.
Shepherd's pie, one of my favorite comfort foods.
Mine too.
And Bridgetta made it with bacon this past week as a test recipe, and oh my God. It was
very good.
It was just what shepherd's pie has needed all these years. And we've made shepherd's pie with everything in it. All different kinds of shepherd's pie.
And I added the vegetables. That wasn't part of the original recipe. Very good.
Wow. Still a little hot out of the oven.
It is still a little hot, so be careful.
It's not a bad thing, though.
I like the changes we've made. And increasing the mashed potatoes, that layer, that was good.
Gosh.
So remember, I did half a recipe, so a full recipe would be a 9 by 13. But this is good for us.
Perfect.
Yes.
Thank you, Bridgetta.
You're welcome. I'm glad you liked it. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to any new subscribers, and welcome back to anybody who's been here before. We're glad you're here. All right. Well, we'll see you next time with another great video and another great recipe. Bye-bye.